Google Bard now answering programming questions, and it's way better than ChatGPT. I recently was informed that Google Bard was now answering programming questions, so I decided to try it out. It is much better than ChatGPT in 3 distinct ways. Faster. I asked Google Bard to show me how to write a program with 100 threads. It gave me a response in about 2 seconds. I did the same thing with ChatGPT, and it took about 15 seconds for everything to come back. Google Bard smoked ChatGPT in performance and response time. This is very important. If Google Bard is faster, people are going to use it instead of ChatGPT. There are studies that show that slower performance causes users to abandon websites in favor of faster ones. Easier to read. The text was much easier to read on Google Bard because it was colored in a way that was easy on my eyes and made it easy to understand. There was also one single box with code in it. ChatGPT, on the other hand, had multiple boxes of code and I had to scroll down farther to read everything. The simplest answers are often best, and Google Bard won in simplicity and ease of reading. Gives sources. I don't know why ChatGPT doesn't give sources for the information it finds, and one reason it might not be able to do this is because it is not tied to a search engine. Maybe Microsoft Bing will one day be used to give sources for ChatGPT, but right now, I don't know where the information is coming from for ChatGPT. For Google Bard and the question I asked it, it gave me 3 sources of information I could dive into if I wanted to get more. I liked Google Bard better in this case. Google Bard advertising. I can see Google Bard having advertisements off to the side eventually, with things related to the sources of information it gives, so that companies can still share things related to the content being searched. In my case, it would have made sense for programming books to be advertised on the side or some programming course. Google Bard wins in programming code questions so far. How will ChatGPT respond? What do you think about Google Bard now taking programming questions? Is it doing better at it than ChatGPT?